Welcome to the Business Behind the Scene podcast with Francesca Moi, where we talk all about real business problems, real solutions, and getting actual results in your business. Hello. Welcome to episode number 125. Oh my goodness. Today I am chatting with you about my favorite thing that I've created in my business. And I know that I've been chatting about this a little bit lately because I am obsessed. If you listen to last episode, I was talking about obsession, and definitely I'm obsessed about virtual assistants. I'm obsessed about running the virtual assistant business. I'm obsessed about running my business, only having full-time virtual assistants. I just love virtual assistants. And I wanted to really tell you that a lot of people ask me like, wait a minute, how did this all start? How did this come about? So about 7 years ago, I had a life coaching business and it was very successful and I couldn't keep up. So I went on Upwork, I got a virtual assistant and I fired her. It didn't work out. It was all me. I was a really bad CEO. I didn't know how to be a CEO. I didn't know how to be a boss. I didn't know how to be a leader. I didn't know how to step up. I didn't know how to help. I just expected. All I was doing was expect. I mean, you should know better, right? You should do this. You should do that. I wasn't willing to train the poor girl, and I wasn't willing to support them through the learning process, right? I was just like expecting all the time, and so that obviously didn't work out. Then I hired another VA, and then also didn't work out. But before it didn't work out, she introduced me to someone that she knew, and then that went quite well. And then as that went well for a while, she was quite good at detailed, but she wasn't very good at the customer and the marketing side of the business. So I had to let her go. And just before I let her go, she also introduced me to her niece. And now her niece has been with me in the business for literally 6 years. It's 6.5 years now. It's been amazing having her in the business, and her and I grew the business together. We just worked alongside each other. We talked on the phone a lot. We just did a lot of things together, and we made mistakes together. We laughed together. We cried together. We saw people come and going from the business. She's got my back. I got her back. It's just been incredible. And that would never be happen if I didn't do a lot of courses on how to train someone, how to lead someone, how to, all of that. So I grew as a business owner, and then a lot of my clients were like, wait, how do you hire a virtual assistant? And I tried to teach them. I tried to let them do it for themselves. And it was a disaster because people don't have time. People don't have the skills that I didn't have either, right? So I had to learn while making mistakes. And so my business started to grow so much, and I started to make so many changes. I started to have 3 virtual assistants, and then every year since I've hired 1. So now we've got 8 full-time virtual assistants working in our business. And they legit run the business. Like about a year ago, a operational manager left. An operational manager at the time was on like $80,000 a year, like ridiculous, right? So they're high. They're really quite expensive here in Australia. And one of my VAs said, I can do those tasks. I can help you. And I'm not kidding you. No joke. This virtual assistant is actually doing that role for $15 an hour. And I'm just like, wait a minute, why are we building a business while having people in Australia that we have to really spend quite a lot of money to maintain the relationship, right, the business? And I'm not saying that we shouldn't have people in Australia. I'm not saying that. And I have hired over 25 people in the last 7 years in Australia. So I am also supporting Australia, but the economy, I'm supporting the economy even more by hiring virtual assistants rather than people in Australia, because I can bring more cash into Australia. I can spend more money into Australia. So I'm not saying that you shouldn't have people in Australia, but what I'm saying is that what if half of your people are now in the Philippines? What would that look like for your business? Honestly, you're going to spend way more money, less money. You're going to save way more money. That's what I meant. You're going to save way more money. You're going to have more people working for you. You're going to change someone's life in the Philippines, which is priceless. And then you're going to be able to afford to have a couple of people in Australia and pay them really well, because those people are now going to be, helping you, working alongside you. So look, I feel that that's been like incredible. And so a lot of my clients have hired virtual assistants from us. We've trained and found and sourced over 200 virtual assistants in the last 2.5 years, and it's been bloody an incredible journey. And now what was happening is that a lot of my clients were struggling with managing their VAs, with systems and procedures and all of that. And I thought, well, they're all asking, can I have a Tina, can I have a Babs? And those girls have been with me for 7 years. And I said, look, you can't have them, but I can have them supervising your team. And how's that sound? And so we have now created the agency. And the agency is literally me providing more support to your business. So me and my team come into your business and really help you to structure it. So we have some services that we do on, like, structuring the virtual assistant business and structuring, everything that we have created and help you to create procedures and all that. So that's a service that we have and that you can purchase on the side. And then on top of it, we can have our virtual assistant supervising yours, making sure that they maintain that systems that we help you create. And it's priceless. I'm getting literally referral from everywhere. Every time I put a post on Facebook, I get like so many people connecting and so many people buying. And I'm like, we can't grow this fast. I need to slow down, right? And my team is like, we can't keep up funding virtual assistants. And we have such a great procedure to really hire someone. We do a 7-day training, and if they don't pass the training, that is it, they get fired. If they do pass the training, they go through a 21-day internship program inside of my business. And if they don't pass that, which half of them don't pass it, then they're going to be hired, assigned to one of you guys. But if they don't, then they're going to go back to start the training again, because sometimes they need more than once, and that is okay. Sometimes they don't have the right attitude, so we just let them go. And we're very strict because we know what it takes to have a really good virtual assistant. And if we find the right one, which we always do, the feedback from our clients is just like, I cannot believe I lived I create a business without a virtual assistant until now. And we're like, I know. That's exactly what we talk about. So we love funding and training on virtual assistants and supervising them for you, so that you can really focus on what you're good at. And we can do the HR, we can do the performance review, we can make sure that your VA works the whole hours that she said she or he said they work. And it's just next level amazing. So a lot of people are asking, what type of business can your VA work in? And you know what? The beauty about this is that it's for any business. Like, we have corporate now reaching out to us going, wait a minute, are you saying that I have a marketing assistant and I'm paying $60,000 a year plus super plus tax, and I can have that for like $25,000? And I say, yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. So it's fascinating, and it's something that is going to be amazing for businesses. And it's just, I love it. So if you guys are interested in the agency, because I know so many of you are listening and you're like, how? Where do I get one? Just reach out to us on Facebook. We have a business page called Empowering Virtual Solutions. And so we can look after that. You can message us on there. You can message me on my business page, Francesca Moi. I'm sure you'll find a way to get in touch, and we can truly help you. And it's super exciting to be able to do that. So if you're on the fence and you're thinking, I'm doing all these tasks, and this is the thing, like a lot of the time people don't even know what are the tasks that they can delegate, and that's what we can help you. You can book a VA, a virtual assistant audit, and we can have a look of what are the tasks that you're doing every day in your business that you don't need to do anymore, and we can take them from you, and we can nurture you, and we can delegate them to someone that can really take that weight off your shoulders. So yeah, virtual assistants is going to be the future. Let's be honest, right? It's going to be the next best thing that will happen. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm beyond excited, to be honest. And I'm obsessed because I know how much it's going to change everything. It's going to change the economy. It's going to change everything for me, for you, for our kids, for the future, for our legacy, for everything. So yeah, virtual assistants, let's do it. And a lot of people are like, well, okay, as if the virtual assistants are so good, why don't I get one? Because why don't I get one by myself, right? Because if you're wondering, like, think about how many hours you need to spend training someone, how many hours you need to spend coaching them and managing them and dealing with like problems and asking questions. All of that is going to take away from you, because we're going to do that for you. So we're going to manage a virtual assistant, and then if we're not sure about something, you can explain it to someone that it's a senior VA. She's been with me for over 7 years, so they know exactly what you mean because they've seen it with me. And so that is the difference. That is a huge difference. And so we are scaling this quite fast, and then we're going to be training supervisors, and then their supervisor is going to be managed by my virtual assistant. So this is going to be huge. So get in quick, because we're going to have to put it on pause eventually, because it's going quite quick. And my team are like, you're going so fast. I'm like, guys, this is how I roll. When something is working, let's go, right? Let's keep rolling it. So I am so excited. So if you're interested, we'd love for you to have a virtual assistant. And I wanted to give a shout out to all my beautiful VAs that have changed my life, and they've allowed me to have such a great, amazing business and life and lifestyle and all of that. So I'm going on holiday in a couple of months. I'm going to Italy, and I am so excited, because my business will be keep running, because the virtual assistant will do it all. How good is that? I know, it's so good. All right, beautiful people, you have a fabulous day. Go and get yourself a virtual assistant with us. Let us help you. Let us take that burden from you, and we can do it all. All right, have a great one. Bye. Hey, if you enjoy listening to this podcast, then you have to come to check out our Facebook group, Workshop Secrets for Coaches. It's a community of over 9,500 coaches that are ready to boom their business by running workshops. They are stuck in one-on-one coaching, and they're ready to start to go one-to-many. So if you are one of those coaches, then you have to join us. I look forward to see you there. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave me a review to win a ticket to one of my workshops. I look forward to see you there.